problem that we want to solve, solve the following using the quadratic formula. Simplify imaginary answers where necessary. So I have this 3x squared plus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. Right, if you remember guys, what I always say when we are solving these quadratic equations, yes, we have got several ways which you can employ to solve these equations, but the safest one, if you don't know how to complete the square, use the quadratic formula. Right, no, go ahead, give me the quadratic formula.
Negative b
Yes.
plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4c over 2a.
Correct. So this is my quadratic formula. Genesis, what's the a value?
3.
Good. Ansley, what's the b value?
2.
Good. Asia, what's the c value? 4. Awesome. So guys, when you know how to identify these values, then we are good to go. So let's see how we can solve this. So x is equal to -2 plus or minus square root of b, which is 2 squared minus 4 times a times c, all over 2 times a. Right. So now this simplifies to -2 plus or minus square root of, this is 4, subtracting 4 times 4 is what?
16.
What is 16 times 3?
Something with an 8 at the end.
That's a 48, right?
Bruh.
No, you're good. All over 6, right? So from here, right, from here, I'm coming back there, right? So it's now x, okay, let me use this one. It's now x equal to -2 plus or minus square root of 6. What is 4 minus 48?
Negative 44.
-44. And now we have a serious problem. For now, we have a serious problem. The first question to ask yourself, is it possible to get radicals for negatives?
No.
No. So that's where the game begins. Is it making sense, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Right. So, let's pause here. I want your attention now here to be here. So, if you have, say, a negative of any number here, that's impossible to find the square root, right? So what we need to do is to remember from the properties of this, you can split by saying -1 times 4. Are we together here? Right. Then it's now square root of -1 times the square root of 4. And what is square root of 4? 2. But do we know square root of -1? No. That's where we can assign an imaginary value. That's where we can put an I. Is it making sense? So every time when you see a negative under the radical, you replace it with what? I. It's an I. So remember, square root of -1 is equal to I. Is it making sense? So this here becomes 2I. The moment I see an I, it means it's not a real solution, but it's an imaginary solution. Is it making sense, guys? Right. So now, this is what I'm going to do. Okay. This one adds up sometimes. Okay. So now, this is what we are going to do. We say x equal to -2 plus or minus square root of 44 all over 2, but I'm going to put in what? An I. And we have solved the problem. Is it making sense? We got rid of the negative and we replaced with what?
A positive.
That's good. Right. So the moment you do that, then we are done. But if we go back to the question, it's saying simplify where necessary. Right. So remember, guys, we talked about perfect squares. Right. Remember